We have a product from Resiners direct from Amazon, link in the bio. They were kind to send us 58 pieces dried flowers. These are real dried pressed flowers. If you are doing some craft, in resin flowers, these are good and comes with the little tweezers. So you can make also like a jewelry, making a scrapbook or supply cards. This is a good to go, very accessible on Amazon. Let's take a closer look. Real flowers, link in the bio. So they also send us an air purifier. I'm gonna do a review on that air purifier, but I wanted to share with you guys these flowers before we make the video for the air purifier. Nice product. Check the link in the description, and we're gonna come back later with the air purifier review. These are Resiners dry flowers.